On April 28, 2024, during the Boca Bash event in Palm Beach County, officers stopped a female operating a jet ski. They observed her driving recklessly, which raised concerns given the crowded and festive atmosphere at Boca Bash, where thousands of boaters and revelers gather. The officers suspected she had been drinking while operating the jet ski, which significantly increases risks on the water due to impaired judgment and reaction time.
And you saw a female operating? Okay.
Yeah, female's operating. They're going fast all the way through the bridge.
Okay.
So I can write this citation if you guys want, if that help you out.
Yep, that's fine. Yep, this should document the stop, and then we'll probably just either have you do a supplemental or write a witness statement for us for the operator. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
Mia.
Mia? Okay. Does he have your driver's license, Mia?
No, I don't have my license.
You don't have your license. Okay. I'm just going to tie up and then let him unhook from you, okay?
Upon noticing the erratic driving, officers suspected she might be under the influence, which posed a significant risk to other participants in the crowded event.
So I know they did the stop. I'm going to do my own stop too, okay? On top of theirs. So you don't have a driver's license? Do you have a voter ID card or any kind of ID?
I do have it, but it's on my phone.
It's on your phone? Where's your phone at?
It's on the other phone.
Okay. You are out of Florida though, correct?
No, I'm in state.
Say again?
I'm in state.
Okay. Just,
Am I getting a ticket or am I being detained?
just give me a minute. Let me get all your information, okay? What's your first name?
Mia, MIA.
That's how your driver's license shows? Do you have a middle initial? No? No middle initial at all. What's your last name? They ask you for a fire extinguisher yet?
No, that's all right.
No? Okay, go ahead and get the fire extinguisher for me if you can do
See
so.
the ridge. You can open there.
It just opens right here?
Yeah.
Okay, I can see it. Okay. And a whistle. Alright, Mia. How much have you had to drink today?
You got a Florida?
Not much.
Not
I
much?
just
How
drank
much is not
before.
much?
I drank like a glass, like a White Claw.
A White Claw? Just one? How long ago?
Well, before I got here.
Okay, how long you been out in the lake for?
About 2 hours.
2 hours.
The female was cooperative from the beginning, answering the officers' initial questions without any resistance. They asked her to exit the jet ski and come ashore for further testing. Once there, the officer began a series of sobriety tests to assess her level of impairment.
Okay, so all I can observe, all I can do is, base my opinion off of what I observe right now. And I've talked to you for maybe a few minutes, and I've observed your speech is slurred, okay? Your eyes are pinpointed, and that's just from a few minutes of talking, okay? So right now I have to base my decision on that. I would like you to get on the boat and do some field sobriety tasks, and that way I have more to base my decision on. Are you comfortable doing that? Okay, so you have your life jacket on. I'm going to help you aboard the boat, okay?
All right.
We asked her a couple questions. Ma'am, this is Ma'am. Do you have a middle initial?
No.
No. What state are you out of?
She said Florida.
I'm a Florida.
Okay, just go ahead and sit down from right here, Mia.
So
And
my
we'll get a
first
witness
language
statement
is,
from you before we leave, okay?
Spanish.
Yes, ma'am?
My first
Mia?
language is Spanish.
Okay. All right, Mia, I'm just going to ask you a general set of questions, all right? Please sit straight at the front edge of your seat. Put your arms down at your sides. Place your feet shoulder width apart so you're comfortable and stable. Are you stable?
Yes.
Okay. Do not move your feet until the tasks are over. Stay in this position and do not do anything else until told. Do you understand? Do you have any physical defects or disabilities?
No.
Do you have any defects with your eyes? No? I just need an out loud response.
No.
Okay. Are you sick or injured?
No.
Are you under the care of a doctor or dentist?
I have a chiropractor.
Chiropractor, okay, for your back?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you taking any medication, prescription, or any drugs whatsoever?
Just Benadryl.
Benadryl, what time did you take Benadryl?
Usually at night, so I have to
Night?
take an 8.
Okay.
The first test was the standardized gaze nystagmus test. This test evaluates eye movement to detect any involuntary jerking, which is often a sign of alcohol or drug influence.
On any prescription drugs like anything for anxiety, Xanax, gabapentin, just to name a few, any prescription drugs whatsoever. None, okay. Do you wear any contact lenses? No, okay. Alright, so I'm going to go check your eyes. You're going to hold your head still, and you're going to follow the tip of this pen with your eyes and eyes only, okay? Bring your chin down. There you go. Do you understand? So again, don't move your head, okay? You're just going to simply follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. You okay? Yeah, I'll let you know when we're done. We're almost done, okay? See it again?
Following this, the officers conducted a nose-to-finger test, where the female was asked to touch the tip of her nose with her index finger. This test assesses motor control, balance, and coordination, and she displayed visible signs of impairment here as well.
Alright, next thing I'm going to just bring the pen up and you're going to follow it up, okay? Alright, you're going to make a fist with both hands. Extend your index finger and turn your palms forward, just like this. You're going to remain in that position while I explain the task. Do you understand? When I say begin, you're going to tilt your head back to about a 45-degree angle and close your eyes like this. And you're going to close your eyes, okay? When I tell you to, you're going to touch the tip of your nose with the tip of your index finger and immediately return it to your side. This is the tip of your index finger. This is the tip of your nose, okay? So don't use the sides, don't use the pad. Tip of index finger, it's the tip of nose, okay? You understand?
Yes.
When I say right, you must touch your right index finger to your nose. When I say left, you must touch your left index finger to your nose. Do you understand? Okay, go ahead and begin. Yep, go ahead and begin. Just close your eyes. Okay, left. And just immediately bring your hand down. Go ahead and tilt your head back to a 45-degree angle. Perfect.
It's the chiropractor, that's why.
Okay, yeah, just tilt your head back. Right. And again, immediately bring it down. Tilt your head back. Left. Again, immediately bring it down. Right. Right. Left. Go ahead, open your eyes, relax.
Both tests provided sufficient evidence to confirm she was under the influence of alcohol or drugs, leading officers to immediately arrest her for boating under the influence.
Last one, you're going to make a fist with both hands. Place your left fist at the center of your chest and your right fist against your left fist. Like this. 7, 8.
Right.
You understand?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
The yellow one, I just got on that day. I think I'm an old guy, man.
Wow, I
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I finally
I thought when I bought it, I was like, wow.
Alright, go ahead and stand up for me. At this time, you're going to be under arrest for boarding under the influence, okay? Okay, 1 second. Alright, go ahead and take a seat for me. Did you record that? Hey Aaron, did you record that time? Can you record the time? Yep. Okay. Is this your boyfriend? Who's this?
I don't know him.
You don't know him. Okay. Is this your jet ski? Or is this is his jet ski? Okay.
His family members.
Okay.
She stated that she didn't know anything about him, indicating that they were likely not connected beyond the day's events. Despite this, officers continued to gather more information from her, trying to obtain any additional relevant details regarding the incident.
Have you been doing any drinking today? I'm sober.
completely sober.
When I get 25, no more drinking.
Okay, as long as you're sober.
Oh, yeah.
I've got what's called a PBT. It's a portable breath test.
Sure.
Can you show to us that you're good, and that way I can.
No, man.
Alright, so you're going to have the opportunity to provide a breath sample. Do you want to do that? You don't want to do anything? Okay. There's a form I'll read you to make your response official, but I always like you to know ahead of time, okay?
Did they leave?
Did you? Yep. Let me get a statement from you. Hold on.
Yeah, I'll meet you over at the.
Oh, you will? Okay.
Hey, would you guys could we swap out her life jacket he had asked for back if we could?
Yeah,
put her in
that's
one of
fine.
ours?
Do you have anything on the boat that belongs to you?
No.
I'm going to go ahead and stand up and have to take your handcuffs off.
I gotta tell her, man. Never
9 by
been
4.
more sure about you know, like
7, 9, 8.
I know you're winning. I know you're winning.
Are you detained
Yep.
with someone?
It'll be Palm Beach County Jail.
Palm Beach. Palm Beach.
Are you with her?
No, I just made
No.
that, bro. They got the family. I think it's right.
And did we get your driver's license yet?
Yeah, he got.
You got? Okay.
He's already in the call.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and give me a deep breath. Just blow. Just blow, 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 blow. Perfect.
You sit back down.
Take a breath.
Oh my god, man.
All right, perfect.
All right, my man.
Give me one more blow.
Huh?
Are you sure I can't
Make
just
sure
get
that
a
way we got
warning?
A warning for boating under the influence?
No, I'm not under the influence.
Yes, you are, ma'am. Absolutely are.
Take a deep breath and give me.
We don't give warnings for boating under the influence. That'd be like getting stopped on the road and say, hey, can I have a warning for driving under the influence?
There you go. You got the click. All right.
I see the click.
All right. Perfect. Cool.
She showed no signs of resistance and cooperated fully, which aided the officers in efficiently concluding their investigation. Her willingness to comply also likely worked in her favor, as cooperation is generally taken into account during legal proceedings.
Okay, cool. No, they're gonna follow us back? Okay. Hold on 1 second, hands high. You're good. Alright, have a good day.
Remember, it's slow to speed.
Yep. Yeah, you just go be safe.
Do you mind if I get my phone from the boat right there?
If they're not gonna be able to take it to the jail, yeah. Is this your boat right here?
Yeah. She said you're on that big parade lot. Is there any chance that somebody can come with me?
To jail? No. Have you never been to jail before? Have you been to jail before? No. So, I mean, no. You go to jail. No one else goes with you.
So I've got his deal. He's in the call,
Okay, cool.
and got your 10:15 time there.
Okay.
19:09.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. So much easier when you have an extra hand.
What's that?
So much easier when you have an extra hand.
Oh yeah.
Not doing everything. Yeah. So there's a sheet of questions. You know, you have the opportunity to talk to me. Do you want to talk? So because I put you in handcuffs, I can't ask you any more questions unless I read you Miranda. All right, so I want to ask you some questions. I'm going to read you Miranda, and then if you don't want to talk to me, you don't want to talk to me, okay?
After officers completed their initial questioning and gathered all necessary information, they placed the female inside the patrol vehicle and transported her to the station for further processing.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to consult with an attorney and have an attorney present during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you before questioning at no cost. Do you understand these rights? With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me now? No? Okay.
They still told me there's
Oh, I forgot. Oh, they actually issued her a ticket. Okay.
Yeah, they wrote a ticket and they have this over there.
Okay, perfect. And this is her copy?
Yeah.
Okay. Mia, if you decide to change your mind and you wish to speak to me, just let me know, okay?
Just double check it's not yours.
Huh?
I don't think it's yours.
No, I'll put it with her stuff. Yeah. And then she probably, that was for,
Your signature?
yep.
Oh, that's his.
Yeah, it's his signature, yeah. She's in handcuffs, though. Let me squeeze by you. Alright, I'm going to read you some stuff reference to breath test, okay? I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test? It's just a yes or no. Mia, this is, you have have a right, okay? I'm not asking you questions about your arrest. You have a right to provide a breath sample. It's just a simple yes or no, okay? Do you want to provide a breath sample? No. I need an out loud no. Okay. If you refuse to submit to the test I requested of you, it will result in a civil penalty of $500. Additionally, if you refuse to submit to the test I've requested, and you've previously been fined under section 327.35215 Florida statutes, or if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor. In addition to any other penalties you will be imposed by law, refusal to submit to this test I requested is admissible into evidence of any criminal proceeding. Do you understand what I just read to you? So basically it says, if you refuse to test, it's a $500 civil penalty. If you have a prior refusal on record, it becomes a misdemeanor. So do you have a prior refusal? So if you refuse the test, it would be a $500 civil infraction. That's the penalty. Okay? You understand what I read to you? Mia, do you understand what I read to you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you still refuse to submit to the test? Do you want to submit to the test? Are you okay?
I've just never been in a situation
Okay.
like this.
Are you okay though? Because you're not answering simple questions. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want to take the test?
Sorry, could I take a moment to think about it?
Yeah, you can take a moment. Yep. Okay. So just in summary, because I want to make sure you heard what I said. If you refuse to take the test, it's a $500 penalty. It's like a civil infraction, okay? If you want to take the test, we'd be happy to do it.
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to take the test, okay? You will get a copy of this form. I'm going to read you your directions on the back, okay?
Her full cooperation and compliance would be noted in the incident report, potentially impacting her case as it proceeded through the judicial system.
Alright, you are hereby notified that pursuant to provisions of section 327.35215, a $500 civil penalty is assessed against you for refusal to submit to a chemical testing of your blood, breath, or urine. Said refusal occurring at the date and time. You must respond to this notice within 30 days. You must either pay the $500 civil penalty or request a hearing before a county judge. If you fail to do one of those within the 30-day period, it will be a crime for you to operate any vessels on the water of this state. If you request a hearing and fail to appear, the final judgment will be entered against you by default, and you must pay the civil penalty before operating a vessel. You may pay the civil penalty or request a hearing either in person or by mail, or by submitting this form to the clerk of court at the address below. If you choose to pay the $500 civil penalty, make your certified check or money order payable to the clerk of court. So in summary, you either pay the $500 or you request a court date or a civil court date. Okay? And I will give you a copy of that. All right? He's gonna drop me off, right? Yeah. All right.
Back up, Dad.
Are you asking?
Yeah.
This incident reflects the serious approach taken by law enforcement when handling cases of boating under the influence, especially at events like Boca Bash, where the risks of impaired boating are heightened by large crowds and close quarters.
Are you asking?
All right, Mia.
Don't need a hand on the dockside over there? Yeah, if you don't mind. Definitely appreciate it.
Take your life jacket off. All right. I'm gonna take your life jacket off when we get on the dock, just to make sure everything is all right. All right. Gonna step back to the back of the boat. All right. What you're gonna do? You're gonna step up here, and we're gonna help you get up. Okay.
Your officer, hold it. Hang on 1 second.
We got someone coming.
He's coming over there. That's just so we had two guys up there. That officer's coming over. Just so that way there's no way that you can fall and get hurt. Yes, ma'am. All right, cool.
Step up.
Two big guys will help out. Yep, we got you. All right.
You guys gonna help me?
Yep. Is the shoulder? No, I got in the way.
All right. I need a statement here. You got a witness statement? Do you have a witness statement in your bag?
I'll throw it back in the stash. Thank you, sir. Just give us a holler whenever you're...
Yeah, let me get a witness statement. I don't think. Here you go, Mia. Or not Mia. Oh my God. Ashley, thank you. Alright, is there a table? Yep, thank you.
You got it.
Thank you. Take a seat. Do we have like a holding spot for them while we do paperwork?
It's all the way over there.
Okay.
So you just walk the whole way, go through.
Thank you. Okay. You don't have shoes, do you? You don't have any shoes? No. Hold on 1 second. Let me just fix my bag here. How you doing? not over yet.
Yeah, not yet. Not yet. Only got good.
There's still plenty out there, surprisingly.
Still busy there?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Well, north end. Busy there.
Yeah. We're gonna go this way, where everyone's sitting over there.
Where do you want that? What time?
I work out at St. John's, St. Augustine area.
Oh, you can't help this?
Yeah. Yeah, we're the closest region to y'all, so we always send y'all a few people.
I'm down. I'm in the SRB, so I'm down.
Okay. Alright, let's find the people. Can I steal one of these tables? Over there? Okay. Nice! Thank you. Take a seat right here.
The female suspect appeared in court to face charges of BUI, which stands for boating under the influence. This charge indicates she was operating a boat or watercraft while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Boating under the influence is a serious offense because, just like driving under the influence, it poses a high risk to both the operator and others on the water. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To stay updated on our future videos, click on the notification bell icon after subscribing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.